facial recognition camera for venue entry. Instead of the old known ways of entry, we are producing new venues entry experience. Taking the benefit of the COVID-19 virus, we implemented an extraordinary system that uses artificial intelligence to recognize people's faces and allow them to enter a place according to a specific pose. For example, in malls, our system could be programmed to allow or deny people entry based on their health status. On the other hand, for a global conference, we could program the system to only permit the invited guests to enter. In fact, our verification system could be used to carry out a lot of additional proposals. For our use case, we are solving the problem of COVID-19 spread. As shown, in the high-level architecture, we are combining three different databases, which are Ministry of Interior, the Ministry of Public Health, and the venue or mall database. As the individual will be previously registered at the Ministry of Interior and already has a Qatar ID number linked with his or her face encodings and saved at their database. Then, assuming that person already get tested, so their health status is updated at the Ministry of Public Health databases. Then accordingly, when the person heads to enter any public places, our camera is going to capture many frames and recognize her or his face encodings. Then send it to the Ministry of Interior to retrieve their Qatar ID. We then get their health status from Ministry of Public Health. Finally, send the decision to a gate which will open or keep closing according to their health status. When the Ministry of Interior employee going to register a new person in the database, he or she needs to enter the first name of that person, last name, phone number, email ID, date of birth, and attaching a recent personal picture for that person. Our verification system also contains contact tracing feature, which operates between Ministry of Public Health and the venue database, also involving Ministry of Interior to retrieve from their databases email ID to notify the individuals who had a direct communication with an infected person. Our verification system is unique due to lots of great features, such as that we are not asking anything from the individual entering a public place as their personal information or specific application to verify their health status. Also, our system is totally secured as we encrypt the data while being stored and sent by the servers. Not to mention how our solution convey the world technological shift in order to have the most recent developed society. For our system software, we have used 3 separated databases while connecting them with a website form. Each database is shown as an individual PC. Also, our main face detection, which is directly connected to the camera, is through a highly secured system that runs on a Raspberry Pi to guarantee people's privacy. For the hardware part, a gate is implemented to show realistic taking action situation with both infected and uninfected individuals. Also, a USB camera is connected directly to the system and placed by the entries to take picture of people so the system could retrieve their health status. We programmed our system so it can recognize people with masks or women wearing niqab. So a message will be shown that remove your mask, and for women they will be asked to enter a fully privacy room so they can take off their niqab easily and be verified by our verification system. Then they can wear their niqab and enter the public place.